Welcome. In front of me I have the AirPods 2019, the second generation, and the Android device, the Huawei P40 LTE, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the settings of your AirPods on the Android device. So let's start from Open Settings. Now we have to move to the Bluetooth option, so device connectivity, Bluetooth, and there are our AirPods. They are paired to the Huawei, so click on the settings icon. And here we are. Now we can change the name of our AirPods or just adjust other settings like call audio, media audio, or contact sharing. We can also unpair the headphones from our device. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.